Hi guys, my name is Somya and I just passed my driver's test. Thanks to Russian and First Drive Driving School. I've actually been driving for a while, but I wanted to make sure that I'm not doing any mistakes since if you're driving for a long time, you don't realize the things that you do wrong. And I called Roshan and he was very good in telling me all the mistakes that I've been doing, and I didn't realize how many mistakes you do as a driver for a long time and what rules you might not be aware of. And yeah, thanks to him, I only had like 1 or 2 points missing when I took my test, and I have my license in time for Christmas so I can celebrate. Anybody either new or old, if you're refreshing on your driving skills, be sure to contact First Drive. They're really professional. They're always on time. I think their prices are one of the greatest. And personally, I would like to say Roshan's been really nice as an instructor, very cognizant of the mistakes you do. It's very personalized. His approach, it's not about just the rules and regulations. It's about how you can become a better driver. So yeah, guys, if you wanna pass in your first attempt as well, give First Drive a call. Thank you.
Thanks, Somya.